everybody, welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be giving the 5-minute makeup challenge a go, which I thought could be a bit of fun, but I'm also really nervous about it at the same time. I don't know why, because it's not like I'm going anywhere. It's just going on the internet for everybody to see instead. Originally, I was going to film a full glam makeup look today, but I have had the week from absolute hell. Me and my husband are looking for a house at the moment, and believe me when I tell you, it is the most stressful thing that I've had to deal with to date. And I moved country when I was younger. Trying to get a mortgage in the middle of a pandemic is just not a good idea. But this is where we are right now, so yeah, I am just not in the mood today to put on a full face of glam makeup and then go nowhere. I don't really know where I'm going with this. This is meant to be a fun challenge video, so feel free to skip to this time if you don't want to listen to any of this. And the reason I started this channel as well was just to have fun making videos and playing about with makeup. And if I'm not in the mood to do that, then I'm not gonna do that, if that makes sense. I will film a full glam makeup look at some point because it's something I want to do and it's something I enjoy doing, but I feel like I need to be in a good space to be creative. So instead today I thought I'd put some comfy loungewear on, and I was watching YouTube videos this morning, and recently I've come across a new YouTuber called Princess Dionne. I hope I'm saying her name right. And I was watching her videos this morning and she's done a 5-minute makeup challenge, and I've seen this challenge done quite a few times, but I've never tried it out myself, and I know I'm late to the game. It's the story of my life, but it looked fun, and I thought, do you know what? That might cheer me up today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've got all my makeup laid out in like an order of how I'm gonna use it all. I'll probably go through and show you it all before I do the challenge, because I'm not gonna have time to talk through each product that I'm using it as I'm doing it, because I think this is gonna be an absolute shit show, to be honest, because I take forever to do my makeup, even if it's meant to be like a quick everyday makeup look. So to give myself a bit of a challenge, I'm gonna try and recreate my sort of everyday makeup look, complete with liquid eyeliner. This isn't gonna go well. So I'll go through all my makeup with you and show you the products that I intend to use. I might have to skip some of them so that I can try and get as complete a look as I can in 5 minutes. And then I'm going to set a timer, and then I'm going to freak out while I try and do this challenge. So I'm going to show you everything that I plan on using in order. So first off, I've got my EOS lip balm. I think this is my strawberry sherbet one, or strawberry sorbet. And instead of foundation, I'm going to use my new Nivea BB cream. Oh my god, my hands are shaking. This is really not going to go well. So yeah, instead of foundation, I'm going to use my new BB face cream by Nivea, which I really like at the moment. I do struggle to find a BB cream that I like because I feel like a lot of them don't really blend well like a moisturizer. They just tend to dry quite quickly and ball up and start to flake off. But I really like this one so far, and you can really blend it in like a moisturizer. And it's got quite a nice colour, so I'm going to use this, which may be cheating, but I don't care. I've got a foundation brush just in case, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of concealer, the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define. Then I'm gonna go in with my May Banana Setting Powder and my powder brush from Real Techniques. I've got my Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette by Sleek, and I think this is gonna save me a load of time in aubergine. Wow, this week has melted my brain. I love this palette. It's got such nice colours in it, and also with my bronzer, blusher and highlight being in the same palette, that's going to save me some time, so I'm going to use that. I've got 3 cheek brushes that I plan on using with that palette. Then I've got my Unibrow by Winkulux Universal Brow Pencil, and I'm going to attempt an eyeshadow depending on how much time I've got left. I don't know how I'm going to split the time. Badly, probably. We'll see if I've got time, but I might just try pop a single colour of eyeshadow on. Got my favourite eyeliner of all time. This is the Stamp and Drag by Ciate liquid liner. Not sure if I'm going to have time for this because this probably takes me about 5 minutes alone, even though it's a lot easier than any other eyeliner I've ever used. We'll see. Then I've got the Black Magic Mascara Drama and Curl by Ico. Then probably cheating again, I'm going to use Floss Lip Gloss in the shade. I don't know what shade this is in. It just says my new favourite lip gloss. What have you been focused on all this time? Okay, so... I don't know. Right, timer. I've got a timer set for 5 minutes. I'm going to start this and then I'm just going to jump in, shove each product on and then just chuck it. So I've got a system, everything's laid out in order and I'm just going to go through everything. Nervous. I'm shaking. Honestly, I've watched so many YouTubers do this and I don't know who I'm trying to kid, but just thought we could have a little bit of fun today and you can laugh at my drama and anxiety. So yeah, everything's laid out, my timer's set. As soon as I press start, I'm just gonna go through and do my best, and I'm not gonna edit any of that footage either. So I'm gonna try not drop too many F-bombs, but I can't promise anything. Just do some breathing. I don't know what's wrong with me. I hate being rushed and I wanna win as well. I'm really, really competitive, so I wanna do this in time. Gonna roll my sleeves up. So I'm gonna press start. I don't want to do it. Okay, ready. Go. All right. So starting off with my lip balm. Stop shaking. Right, so that's that. God, I've used 8 seconds already. So BB cream. Oh my God, I think this is too much. Right, let's just stick it on. I don't have anything to wipe my hands on either. That was genius. Oh. I feel like this is one of the things that's going to take the longest, so let's just chill out. Such a nice colour. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like a medium coverage BB cream. And I think I've got it in a light medium. There was a dark option as well, but like I said in a previous video, I'm staying out of the sun at the moment. So yeah, I think that's good. Right, next, concealer. Oh my God, I can't open it. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Found a tissue. Yay. A clean tissue, by the way. A box of tissues. Shut up. Right, okay. Moving on. Oh, no. Why? Why am I doing this? Right. I'm not going to use too much of this, just so that I don't have loads to blend out. She says. Okay, I think I'm going to use my foundation brush just to blend that a little bit more evenly. Okay, powder. Oh my God, how much have I got left? Are you joking me? I'm over halfway. No, okay. I think I'm barely gonna have time to do my face, let alone everything else I had planned. Okay, that's enough. I'm not even gonna close it. Right, Sleek palette next. Did my nails this morning as well, and I feel like they're going to be ruined by the end of this. Sod blending, just get it on your face. Blusher. Chucking everything everywhere. Highlighter. Why am I putting highlighter on? I need to do my brows. Brows. Quick brush. think I'm going to lose some of my stuff in the sofa in this challenge because I'm just chucking it everywhere. Also, I know that my brows are an absolute mess, but I've given up on plucking them, to be honest. And I'm just going to wait until Boris says we can have our brows done again. How much time have I got left? How much time have I got left? 46 seconds. Okay, right. Right, mascara. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is not good. Can't talk while doing this. Lip gloss. How did it go so quickly? Okay. Oh my god. I mean, it's not hideous. In all honesty, I might actually leave the house like this. So if there was like a day where I only had 5 minutes, I think I might have just proved to myself that I can do things quickly. I mean, ideally I would have spent a lot longer perfecting it. It's not that bad. My god, Dionne contoured and everything. How did I take so long in the first 2 minutes? Concealer. Oh my god, I can't open it. Oh my god. Ah! I'm starting to think now, why on earth I decided to do an anxiety-inducing challenge after a shit week. As soon as I set the timer, that was it. Panic attack. I'm just fixing some of it so that my husband doesn't come home and think, what the hell have you done to your face? I really like the formula of this Ico mascara as well. It's really light. You know, sometimes mascaras can just deposit way too much product onto your eyelashes and then they just end up clumping together. This doesn't do that. It's really light. So I feel like if you've got thinner lashes, this wouldn't weigh them down too much and would be quite a good formula for you to try out. So yeah, let me know how you think I did in the comments below. #BeKind. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. I will get back to you. I post videos every Thursday and I will see you in the next one. Bye!